Hello everyone, we are back with another video and today we are going to talk about interview skills. Yes, today we are going to talk about interview skills and what are those most important elements that we need to keep in mind when we talk about interview skills. तो आज हम वो 5 most important preparation points की बात करेंगे which are very important when it comes to preparing for the interview skills. Let's move on to point number 1. The point number 1 says that we should research about organization and job profile. Usually when we go for an interview, we just pick up our resume and go there. We do not do enough research about the organization and the job profile. जिस vacancy के लिए हम जा रहे हैं हम उसके बारे में अच्छी research नहीं करते. So when we say research about it, what exactly do we mean by that? By that we mean that we should at least have the answers or details about the basic questions कि वो organization बनी कब थी, when was that organization founded, or inception, when was the inception of that organization done, what are the products and services of that organization, किन products and services में वो organization deal करती है, उसकी financial standing क्या है, profit कितना कमाया है या कमाया है भी कि नहीं कमाया है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आप उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में किस जॉब प्रोफाइल के लिए इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो, व्हाट आर द स्किल्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दैट जॉब प्रोफाइल, वो काम करने के लिए स्किल्स कौन से जरूरत होते हैं. अगर आपको वो पता होगा तभी आप इंटरव्यू देते वक्त उन स्किल्स की बात अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स में कर सकते हो एंड एक इंटरव्यूअर को इंप्रेस कर सकते हो. जस्ट अ क्विक एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ जॉब प्रोफाइल वेयर patience, smart work is required, तो while explaining your own self to the interviewer, जब आप अपने आप का इंट्रोडक्शन देते हो, you can talk a bit about certain scenario जहां पे आपकी patience और smart work reflect करता है. So that will give you that additional marks in the mind of the interviewer. Also in today's time Google पे आपको सब मिलता है, so you can also have a look at the work culture and the review about the organization. So that is the pre-preparation that you can do before going and appearing for the interview. So this is about the research about the organization. Second most important thing, prepare yourself beforehand for commonly asked questions. वहां जाके blank होने से अच्छा है जो commonly asked questions है, जिसको आपको पता है कि ये सवाल तो मुझे पूछे जाएंगे, उसके बारे में already clarity रखी है अपने mind में. There are many questions which are commonly asked. Tell me about yourself. हर इंटरव्यू में सवाल पूछा जाता है. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Why should we hire you? Have clarity in your mind कि इसका मुझे जवाब क्या देना है, so that जब आप इसका जवाब इंटरव्यू में दो तो पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ दो. So do this preparation. Again, this comes under pre-preparation before you appear for the interview. So these are two most important things we talked about. The first one was that research about the organization and job profile. Second one was prepare yourself for commonly asked questions. Then comes आप जब इंटरव्यू में हो तब आपको कैसे बिहेव करना है. So when you are in interview you have to be very particular about your dress code. So I'll just move this a bit. You have to be very particular about the dress code. आप फॉर्मल्स पहन के गए हो, people are going to judge you. हर एक जगह की एक उसके अकॉर्डिंगली एक ड्रेस कोड होता है. You go to school, you have a particular uniform or a dress code for that matter. Similarly, when you go for interviews as well, you are expected to come and arrive in formals. Keep that in mind. Don't miss it. You can't be casual and say चलो कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत है, मैं तो कुछ भी पहन के चला जाऊं. नहीं, you have to be particular about it because people are going to judge you by the way you look or the way you are dressed up. Second, rather the fourth one in this queue is the intonation or the tone with which you speak. जब आप सामने वाले से बात करते हो, you have to ensure that there is confidence in your voice when you're talking about yourself, when you're explaining about your experience, or maybe वो लोग जो freshers हैं, you need to have that energy so that you can pass on that energy to the interviewer and he really feels that okay fine, this person is full of positivity. Although इसमें experience नहीं है, but he is full of positivity, he is full of charm, he looks very positive with his approach. There has to be thrust in your tone. You cannot sound dull. Hello, my name is okay. No, there has to be confidence, and again you can prepare for it. The last, again, very important key element is your body language. How do you communicate with your body? If it is a face-to-face interview, or maybe on a video interview as well, where a person can see your face, your body, it's very important how you communicate through your body. How are you using your hand gestures? The way you are sitting, probably. The way you are making use of your hand extensions. They also play a very important role. Your hand gestures. किस तरीके से आप पॉइंट कर रहे हो चीजों को. During the interview अगर आपने फिंगर पॉइंट कर ली, that can be very offending. So subconsciously शायद आपके माइंड में नहीं था, consciously आपके माइंड में नहीं था, but subconsciously आपने फिंगर पॉइंट कर दी. So that can be offending. So these are, in a nutshell, the most important and crucial elements to crack an interview or to give your 100% during an interview. Before we conclude everything, there's one more gyan that I want to give to all of you. And that gyan is, an interviewer needs only one reason to select or reject you. An interviewer is also a human being. So he requires only one reason to select or reject you. It totally depends upon you, which reason you give first. आप कौन सा रीजन पहले दे रहे हो? आपने सिलेक्ट होने वाला पहला रीजन दे दिया, उसको शुरू में इंप्रेस कर दिया, बाद में आप कितनी गलतियां कर लो, ही विल इंश्योर दैट ही सिलेक्ट्स यू. आपने शुरू में कोई ऐसी बात बोल दी दैट अनॉयज हिम, उसके बाद आप कितने अच्छे जवाब दे दो, ही विल इंश्योर दैट ही डज नॉट सिलेक्ट यू. That's what we had in store for today. Thank you so much, everyone. If you like the video and if you have any questions related to this or to any other topic which is related to communication skills, you can drop a message in the comment box and we will get back to you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.